short story about what happened to me for inside Qatar Airways on my way to Doha. They come bring one food, come, omo. As I test them, man, only God know how this thing they test for example. This airline safe, I know they know where they go get all this their food from. And so I enter plane, they go Ethiopia the other time. They go bring one kind of food there. Jesus. Only God know how that food tastes. This one there, if you see how this food tastes, food they taste like armpit. I just quietly pack them for them, carry them, cover them back. Make the air hostess come carry them. I don't feel chop that kind of food. Now I carry another one again. Only God know what it be this. I say which I be yellow for under. Now I look at now I carry spoon. Omo, as I cut them, while I pack and put for mouth. The thing get